Hello, my Libras. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you are doing good and are safe with your loved ones. So, Libras, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of June. I know it's really late, but yeah, I'm trying my best to do the readings as fast as I can and as much as I can, as much the time permits. So Libras, also note that time is fluid, like whenever you see it is whenever it applies to you. So since it becomes easier for me to name the readings, I name it by the month. Okay, so remember, whenever you see it, it applies to you at that particular time. Okay. Also, Libras, note that this is a collective reading. It will not resonate with everyone, so take what resonates and leave the rest. All right, so let's get started with your reading, guys. This time I am doing situation, action, outcome, spread, followed by your overall energy and 2 oracle cards. So to save the time, Libras, I have already pulled out your energies, and I have already pulled out your cards, and the reading is quite clear and concise, and there is no ambiguity. So in your current situation, guys, I can see King of Swords and Ace of Swords. Okay, so there is a lot of air energy in your charts, guys. What I see is currently you're seeking new opportunities. You're looking for new opportunities. You're kind of doing your doing your research. You're kind of communicating things. You're trying to find out things. Trying to analyze the situation. You are in this very clear state of mind. There is no confusion in your mind right now. Everything is kind of crystal clear to you. You know exactly what you want, so, and there are for sure new beginnings, like you are kind of preparing yourself for these new beginnings. You know that it's kind of move ahead in some aspect of your life. Most probably this is applicable for people who are looking for new opportunities in terms of job. So you are kind of preparing for this new beginnings. You are reading, you're just researching, you're doing your homework, you're doing your groundwork for this new beginning that you are trying to seek. And the the possible action suggested is so much in secret. It's 2 of wands, like it is asking you, the universe is asking you to do your groundwork, to do your research, to do the planning, and I can see that you are already, like I said, you're already doing your research. You're already communicating to the right people. You're taking the right steps. You are in completely that king energy. You just know what you want, and you are taking your right steps. You are planning, and yeah, I mean, there's no uncertainty in your mind. Like you are just prepared for this, and you just want to do it. So currently there's a lot of research work and groundwork that is going on at your end, and that is what the universe is advising to you. Prepare for it. Like if you want to get that job, or if you want to kickstart that project, or you want to kickstart that business idea, prepare for it. Research in every possible way. Read a lot, study a lot, try to gather information about that whatever thing is from all aspects. And yeah, you're completely in this research and planning mode, and you're just ready for the kill. That's the kind of energy it is. And my Libras, the possible outcome is 3 of wands and Ace of Pentacles. This reading could not get more clearer. Like 2 of wands followed by 3 of wands. Like what? I mean, like really what? So the universe is clearly indicating that after planning, you're just kind of simply waiting for your ships to sail in. You're waiting for that to get that interview call, or if you have given that interview, you're waiting for that right job opening, and that is what you like. After you're planning, after you have done your research and planning, you're just waiting for the ships to come in, you're just waiting for your timing to be right, so that you can just take the right action, you just hit that nail. And guys, I'm so happy for you. There are for sure new beginnings for you. Ace of Pentacles. So whatever new job opportunity that you are waiting for, or whatever new business idea that you are waiting for, that sure and sure is going to come to you. So whatever new ideas that are coming to your mind, just be confident about those, work on those ideas. They sure are going to bring positive result for you guys. There is just no doubt about this. It is going to be a financially blissful period, blissful opening, blissful opportunity for you guys. It's a complete new beginning, one that you have been like really waiting for, you have prepared yourself and have been waiting for. And I mean, look at this, guys. Can it get better? Two aces straight away. This whatever it is that you were planning for, that you had in your head, that you were working hard towards, this is straight away going to come to you. So, well, I don't need many clarifiers for that reading. So your overall energy right now is again very interesting, guys. There is this Nine of Wands and this Nine of Swords and Hanged Man. So like I said, probably you are in this planning phase, or in this, you're ready to start this new chapter of your life, in terms of career. Mostly I feel this is in terms of career, and that is what is making you so restless right now. That is consuming a lot of your mental energy right now, and it is making you really really tired and exhausted. And it's kind of clear it's kind of even making you feel a little confused at times. But then I surely feel that some of you have already evaluated the situation from all aspects of all possible aspects, I would say. And you have taken into consideration all aspects, like whatever decision you're about to take, leaving the current job, quitting the current job, and wanting to join a new job probably, or starting that new business. Whatever it is, you have thought through about this idea. You have really really given a lot of thought to this idea, and maybe that is a little kind of taking your energy. But whatever it is, guys, it is for sure going to be for your good. This, like I said, I have never done a more clearer reading than this till now, and I really don't feel we need any clarifiers for this reading. So and I haven't pulled any clarifiers for this reading. It's just clean and clear reading I have done so far. Let's see what message we have from this beautiful deck for you guys from the divine. Dear spirit guides, guardian angels, give me one good message for my Libras for the month of June. One guiding message from you for my Libras for the month of June. Sorry guys, I usually pause the videos to avoid the shuffle time and decrease the length of the videos. So this card has popped up, and well, there are no surprises again. It's time to take action. New moon in Aries card, time to take action. Like, well, how much this card resonates to the reading. I always say, this deck never lets me down. It is just bang on accurate, like really. Let me quickly read that card for you guys. It's new moon in Aries. Let's see what it has to say. The card says, the flame is lit. A wonderful new start beckons and you're on the right track. Drawing this card is a superbly positive sign if there is something you want to happen in your life. Take this card as a big yes from the universe. This is the time to really tune into your dreams. You may still have a long way to go. After all, Aries is the first sign of the zodiac, but you're on your way. Determination, self-assertion and bravery are called for, but the hot fire of Aries is driving you towards success in whatever endeavor you're asking about. The caution: don't go too fast and forget your manners. Treat people well as you charge towards your goals. You'll create much better karma for yourself. Attune to the moon, don't even think about giving up. Additional meanings for this card are: do your best and be happy with that. Avoid being brash right now. You need a 12-month plan. A new male is coming into your life. To whoever it is applicable, as there are new beginnings, it can be in this format also. The teaching is Aries is the first sign of the zodiac, so the new moon in Aries is the first of the 12 or 13 new moons of the year. If you are committed to working with all the lunations, then the new moon in Aries is the right time to start. And drawing this card, no matter when you do it, signifies it's also the ideal time to start your moon work, such as setting intentions. Yeah, intentions do help, guys. Set your intentions clear and the universe will deliver to it. And I'm sure you're already doing your work. Like this reading is all about new beginnings. What else can I say? I really don't have anything else to say. Okay, so oh my god. Guys, Libras, I mean, this can't get better. So yeah, your intuition is correct. Take action accordingly. So this entire reading is all about actions. I mean, wow, what do I say, you guys? What do I say? This entire reading is about actions and new beginnings. So like I said, guys, whatever it is you're working towards, know that it's going to be in your favor, and just keep going, put like giving your best, and you're going to get the best results. I am just loving this reading. I mean, it can't get better. I'm so happy for you guys. So let's quickly read this. You are fairly certain about your next move, and you pull this card as additional validation, which will spur you into action. This card confirms that your intuition is correct, is accurate, and that you can trust it fully. The joy you feel knowing that your intuitive feelings are valid may be tempered by the fear of making life changes. Heavens want you to know, however, that all of the details are being taken care of. You are supported in all ways as long as you ask for help and then accept it as it comes to you in various forms. Wow, that was a beautiful message. So like I said, guys, just keep on doing your hard work that you're doing, and just leave the rest to the divine. You are in for positive results. So yeah, with this I will stop this reading. I really loved this reading. Like, this has been the best reading so far I have ever done. Crystal clear. I hope you like this reading. Do let me know your thoughts about this reading in the comment box. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, so that you're informed about my next reading. Like, share, subscribe, guys. Don't feel to share this channel with your friends and loved ones. So guys, I would like to leave it at that. Good luck to whatever you are doing, and lots of love. Take care. Bye.